Welcome back to Auburn University's Facilities Management. Today, we'll be providing an update on the Brown-Kopel Engineering Student Achievement Center. The center is located in the heart of Auburn University, next to the future Gavin Engineering Research Laboratory. The 94,000 square foot three-story structure will include study spaces, laboratories, fabrication shops, maker spaces, and a 45,000 square foot courtyard structure connecting it with Gavin. Site preparation for the project began December 2016 with the demolition of the engineering shops and L building. Once complete, construction began on the ground floor of Brown-Kopel, continuing upward with the main floor and top floor. The ground floor will have various laboratories, including a wind tunnel system and fabrication shops for the use of professional machinery in classroom settings, along with the Design and Innovation Center. The main floor will include recruitment and scholarship offices, tutoring and learning suites, a cafe, and centers for professional development and academic advisement. The top floor will hold classrooms and conference rooms, as well as pavilions and a grand hall. The Brown-Kopel Engineering Student Achievement Center is set to open in the spring of 2019.